Okay. Good afternoon, all. Is the screen is visible?
Yes, yes.
Okay. In the previous lecture, we've seen that the what is the Bessel's equation. Okay. And what are the solutions of Bessel's equation of order n? Look at here. The differential equation of the form x square into y double dash plus x into y dash plus x square minus n square in the bracket. Okay. Into y is equal to 0. It's called Bessel's equation of order n, where n is the constant and the real part of n is greater than or equal to z. Okay, so above equation we can write in this form. Okay, so here p of x is equal to 1 of x, 1 upon x, and q of x is equal to x square minus n square divided by x square. So from p of x and q of x, we can see that the x is equal to 0 is the singular point, and also it is a regular singular point. Okay, now here p of x and q of x are the, look at here the x, a of x is x and b of x is x square minus n square are two polynomials. Okay, then they are analytic function, so hence a of x and b of x is analytic. Then the solution of the differential is also in the form of power series expansion. So phi of x is equal to x raised to r summation ck into x raised to k, where c naught is not equal to 0. Okay, that is phi of x is equal to summation ck into x raised to k plus r. And the initial equation or characteristic equation is given by this one. Q of r is equal to r into r minus 1 plus a of 0 into r plus b of 0. From this we calculate the value of r1 and r2. R1 is n and r2 is minus n. Okay, look at it. Is as the phi is the solution of equation 1, so phi satisfies the given differential equation. Okay, so calculate the phi dash, phi dash, and phi. Put in the value of put the value of phi dash, phi double dash, and phi in the equation 1. So we get this one. Okay, and from this relation, from this equation, after solving, we get at last this recurrence relation. Ck is equal to minus ck minus 2 divided by k plus r bracket square minus n square. Okay, now look at the case 1. What happens if r is equal to r1 is equal to n? So we get this relation. Ck is equal to minus ck minus 1 upon k into k plus 2n. Okay, after generalization, we get the general terms of ck. Ck is equal to minus 1 raised to k into c naught divided by 2 raised to 2k into k factorial into 1 plus n, 2 plus n up to k plus n, and all the odd terms are 0. Okay, so the phi of x is equal to this one. Summation k is equal to 0 to infinity ck into x raised to k plus 1. So this summation we expand into two summation. One in which the odd terms are present and other in which all the even terms are present. C2k and C2k plus 1. Okay, and this right side is 0. So here we get phi 1 of x is equal to summation k running from 0 to infinity ck into x raised to k plus 1. And after the putting the value of C2k, we get this one. Okay, now look at here. The particular solution of equation 1. Okay, that the given differential equation. The particular solution of equation 1, that is Bessel equation. Bessel's equation is obtained by taking, look at here, by taking the arbitrary constant. Arbitrary constant. इधर arbitrary constant कौन है तुमचा? C naught. By taking the value of C naught is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to n into gamma function, gamma n plus 1. Okay. So that is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to n. What is gamma n plus 1? Is n factorial. Okay, शिकलाय की नाही? Gamma n plus 1. Gamma function शिकलाय का?
Yes,
Gamma n
yes.
plus
Yes.
1. So
Yes, sir.
n factorial. Okay, so that is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to n into n factorial. So it's called Bessel's function of first kind of order n. Order n. Okay, and it is denoted by, by, wait, look at it. That is, it is denoted by Jn of x. Okay, so Jn of x is given by summation k running from 0 to infinity minus 1 raised to k. Okay, तुमचं phi of x काय आलेलं आहे minus 1 raised to k. Okay, upon 2 raised to 2k into 2 raised to n. Okay, 2 raised to n कसं येईल सांगेन एकच मिनिट. After putting the value of this one c naught ची value ठेवली आहे 2 raised to n. Okay, 2 raised to 2k, 2 raised to n into k factorial into gamma n plus 1 into 1 plus n up to so on k plus n, okay, into x raised to 2n 2k plus n. Okay, so this is the value of Jn of x. Okay, ह्याच्यामध्ये काय पुट केले फक्त in the phi1 of x put the value of c naught. What is c naught? 1 upon 2 raised to n into n factorial. तर काय केलं 2 raised to n into n factorial. Okay, putting the value of phi1 putting the value of c naught in phi1 of x, and this is the what Bessel's function of first kind of order n. Okay, and this expression also can write like this: Jn of x is equal to summation k running from 0 to infinity minus 1 raised to k divided by, this is k factorial, okay, into gamma, look at here, n plus k plus 1. Okay, म्हणजे काय हा gamma n plus k plus 1 म्हणजेच काय येणार तुमचा n plus k factorial. ओके, म्हणजे तुमच्या इथे n फॅक्टोरियल आहे, इथे n plus 1 n plus 2 up to काय n plus k, म्हणजे हा काय झाला n plus k फॅक्टोरियल, आणि n plus k फॅक्टोरियल कसं लिहिलंय gamma n plus k plus 1, म्हणजे या टर्म बद्दल काय लिहिले ही टर्म. ओके, so this is k factorial as it is. This term is n plus k plus n, gamma n plus k plus n. Okay, into x divided by 2 bracket raised to 2k plus n. Okay, so Jn of x is equal to minus 1 raised to k divided by k factorial into gamma of n plus k plus 1 into x divided by 2 bracket raised to 2k plus 1, 2k plus n. Okay, that 2k is 2 raised to 2k. Okay, 2 raised to 2k, and 2 raised to n is 2 raised to n. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so this is the Bessel's function of first kind of order n. पुन्हा एकदा लिहा. So Jn of x is equal to summation k running from 0 to infinity minus 1 raised to k divided by k factorial. Okay, ह्याच्याबद्दल असंही लिहू शकता n plus k factorial, okay, into x divided by 2 into 2k plus n raised to 2k plus n. Okay, so this is the Bessel function of first kind of order n. Now in the case 2, case 2, okay, if r is equal to r2 is equal to minus n. Okay, in this case the required second solution, the required second solution is obtained. It's obtained by replacing n by minus n. Okay, in equation number 4. कुठे आहे तुमचा इक्वेशन 4? लुक एट इट. या इक्वेशन 5 मध्ये काय करायचं आहे? रिप्लेसिंग k बाय n बाय मायनस n. ओके, इथे कुठेही पहा केस 1 मध्ये r इज इक्वल टू r1 इक्वल टू मायनस n पुट करणार. मग मायनस 1 केल्यानंतर काय होणार? इकडे मायनस येणार. इथे मायनस आली की काय होणार? इथे मायनस येणार. ओके, हा तसंच कॅन्सल होणार. इथे मायनस येईल मग. ओके, मग पुन्हा कुठे मायनस येईल? इकडे मायनस येईल. फक्त प्लस एनच्या ठिकाणी मायनस एन जाईल सगळीकडे. ओके, इथे सगळीकडे मायनस येईल. 1 मायनस एन, 2 मायनस एन, 3 मायनस एन येत जाईल. Okay, so hence in this case required second solution is obtained by replacing n by minus n in equation number 4. So y2 of x is equal to summation k running from 0 to infinity minus 1 raised to k 1 plus n. One minus n. एकच मिनिट. Wait a minute. Okay, correct. So minus 1 raised to k divided by काय आलं इकडे 2 raised to 2k into k factorial into 1 minus n, 2 minus n up to so on k minus n into x raised to काय 2k minus n. Okay, हम equation 4. Equation 4 काय आलं तुमचा? हा into c naught. ओके, k मायनस होतं तिथे काय येणार? k प्लस वन येणार तिथे k मायनस येणार. 2k येणार का? करेक्ट, 2k है ना? 2k. Okay, so this is 2k plus n, 2k minus a. So this is the second solution. Now the particular solution into C now. Okay, and the particular solution is obtained by taking the value of C naught. This is by taking arbitrary constant C naught is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to minus n. Okay, gamma of minus n plus 1. Okay, minus n plus 1 gamma is called the Bessel's function. Bessel's function of second kind. Second kind of order n, and it is denoted by g of minus n of x, and it is given by g of minus n of x is equal to summation k running from 0 to infinity minus 1 raised to k divided by k factorial Okay, now in the gamma of minus n plus k plus 1, okay, into x divided by 2 bracket is to 2k minus n. ओके, इथे फक्त 1 प्लस आहे का मायनस आहे मी सांगतो नंतर, जरा कन्फ्यूज आहे. ओके, 1 प्लस एन आहे, 2 प्लस एन आहे का के प्लस एन आहे. ओके, नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला सांगेन मी. वेट बघ, 1 प्लस एन काय म्हटलं, इन दिस केस रिक्वायर्ड सोल्युशन इज ऑब्टेन्ड बाय रिप्लेसिंग n by minus n in equation 4. n by minus n म्हटल्यानंतर 1 minus n 2 minus n यायला पाहिजे ना इकडे. समजा मी ते सॉल्व केलं, कसं is equal to r1 is equal to minus n, k minus n, k minus n, okay, k square plus n square minus 2kn plus minus 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 इथे ही माइनस येईल का, 1 minus n ओके, हे चेक करून सांगतो मी. What is the value of g of minus n of x? Okay, j of minus n of x ही value दिली गेली. Okay, next lecture ला सांगेन. So this thus the general solution of Bessel's equation is given by phi of x is equal to a into jn of x, that is phi 1 of x, plus b into j of minus s of minus n of x, where a and b are the arbitrary constant. Okay, the linear combination of phi 1 and phi 2, where a and b are arbitrary constant. minus n plus a. ओके, चेक करा बरं काय ते बघूया. रिप्लेस n बाय मायनस n करा, तेच होते का पहा. ओके, राहू दे, नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला बघूया. ओके, काही डाउट्स आहेत का? हॅलो हॅलो, समजते का काय चाललंय?
येस सर.
ओके, ते फक्त कसं आलं, ते 1 प्लस एन 1 2 प्लस एनच घेतलेलं इकडे त्यांनी phi 2 of x मध्ये डिनॉमिनेटर, ते मी फक्त चेक करून सांगेन. ओके, now the next point is the solution of Bessel's equation for n is equal to 0. Next point is the solution of Bessel's equation for n is equal to 0. Okay, look at here. The Bessel's equation for n is equal to 0 is Bessel's equation for n is equal to 0 is what is Bessel's equation? X square into y double dash plus x into y dash plus x square minus n square. So here n is 0. So here we get x square into y is equal to 0. Give it as an equation number 1. Okay. Now what is a of x? Okay, into 1 na. So this is 1, and b of x is x square. So therefore a of 0 is 1 and b of 0 is 0. Therefore the initial equation or characteristic equation is given by q of r is equal to r into r minus 1 plus a of 0 into r plus b of 0 is equal to 0. Okay, so that implies r into r minus 1. What is a of 0 is 1, that is r. B of 0 is 0, so it is equal to 0. So that implies r square minus r plus r is equal to 0. So that implies this get cancelled, so r square is equal to 0. So r is equal to r1 is equal to r2 is equal to 0, which are the required solutions. Now let phi of x. What is phi of x? X raised to r summation k running from 0 to infinity. Okay, ck into x raised to k be the solution of equation. Be the solution of equation 1. Okay, since r is equal to r1 is equal to r2 is equal to 0. So what is phi of x? X raised to 0 summation k running from 0 to infinity ck into x raised to k. Okay, so that is equal to summation x raised to 0 is 1. So k is equal to 0 to infinity. So this is ck into x raised to k. This is equation number 2. Okay, so phi of x is equal to summation k running from 0 to infinity ck into x raised to k. Okay, any doubt up to here? Any doubt, Reka?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, we have to find the solution of Bessel's equation for n is equal to 0. Okay, so as phi is a solution of 1, it must satisfy the given differential equation. Must satisfy equation 1. Okay, that is x square into phi double dash plus x into phi dash plus x square into phi is equal to 0. Okay, look at it. So that implies x square into what is phi double dash? Summation k running from 0 to infinity. Phi double dash is k into k minus 1 into ck into x raised to k minus 2. Okay, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now x into, write down x into summation phi dash of x k running from 0 to infinity. Okay, so k into ck into x raised to k minus 1 plus x square into summation k running from 0 to infinity ck into x raised to k is equal to 0. Okay, now if I am putting k is equal to 0 and 1, so first two terms are 0. Okay, so run this summation from k is equal to 2 to infinity. That equal summation k running from 2 to infinity now. Okay, so this is k into k minus 1. Now this x square and this x raised to k minus 2 is x raised to k plus this x and this x raised to k minus 1. So we get it will put either k running from 1 to infinity. Okay, the first term is 0. So ck into x raised to k plus summation running from k 0 to infinity ck into x raised to k plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
Now replacing k.
सर सेकंड समेशन मध्ये के राहिले.
Okay, now replacing k by k minus 2 in third summation. Okay, replacing k by k minus 2 in third summation. So what we get? Now look at here. Because याची पहिली टर्म हा मग हा जर मी k रिप्लेस बाय k मायनस 2 केला तर हा कुठे येईल k इज इक्वल टू 2 टू इन्फिनिटी येईल. ओके, मग इथं मला 2 टू इन्फिनिटी येण्यासाठी काय करावं लागेल? फर्स्ट पुट k इज इक्वल टू 1 हियर. मग यातली फर्स्ट टर्म काय येईल? लुक एट हियर, x रेज टू 1 dx. So put k is equal to 1 here, c1. Okay, so here c1 x raised to 1. Okay, so plus मग हा रिमेंड कुठून होईल? मग 2 टू इन्फिनिटी होईल. नाव ह्याच्यातनं काय कॉमन काढा? समेशन k running from 2 to infinity. Okay, in the bracket k into k minus 1 plus, now this one is k. Okay, into ck into x raised to k. Okay, from these two I will take a common k in summation, this one ck into x raised to k, and what is remaining? K into k minus 1 plus k. Okay, and this third summation is as it is, k running from now 2 to infinity ck into ck minus 2 into, okay, replacing k minus 2, okay, ck minus 2 into x raised to k is equal to 0. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
c1 into x raised to 1 plus summation k running from 2 to infinity. Okay, now this is k square minus k plus k into ck into x raised to k plus, wait a minute, into ck minus 2 into x raised to k. Okay, ह्याच्यात आपण काय कॉमन काढला? मी x raised to k कॉमन काढला. So this is equal to 0. So this is minus plus get cancel. x raised to k nahi hai. Okay, so this is c1 into x plus summation k running from 2 to infinity. This is k square into ck plus ck minus 2 into x raised to k is equal to 0. Okay, now again the right hand side is 0. The above equation is true only if the coefficient of x raised to k is 0. Okay, and x raised to 1, the coefficient of x raised to 1 is 0, that is c1 is equal to 0 and this coefficient is 0. So the above equation is true only if the coefficient of x raised to k is 0. Okay, so that is c1 is equal to 0 and the recurrence relation k square into ck plus ck minus 2 is equal to 0. So that implies ck is equal to minus ck minus 2 divided by k square, where k running from 2, 3 up to so. Okay, now look at here. For k is equal to 2, what we get? c2 is equal to minus c0 divided by 2 square. Okay. Now, for k is equal to 3, what we get? C3 is equal to minus C1 divided by 3 square. But what is C1?
0.
0. So here we get, आता इथून सगळे मला ऑड टर्म्स कसे मिळतील? 0 मिळतील. C3, C5. Now for k is equal to 4. Okay, what we get? C4 is equal to C2 minus C2 divided by 4 square. Now we are putting the value of C2 here. So minus minus get plus. So here we get C0 upon 2 square into 4 square. Okay, so for k is equal to 5, we get C5 is equal to minus C3 divided by 5 square. But what is C3 is 0. For k is equal to 6, C6 is equal to minus C4 divided by 6 square. But what is C4? Minus plus minus 1. So C0 divided by 2 square into 4 square into 6 square. Okay, so in general we can write. So in general we get C2k is equal to minus 1 raised to k into C0 divided by 2 square, 4 square, 6 square up to so on 2k square. Okay, so this relation we can also write C2k is equal to minus 1 raised to k into C0 divided by minute बाहर क्या लिखो 2 raised to 2k into 1 square into 2 square into 3 square up to so on k square. Okay, is it correct? जितना 2 raised to 2k कॉमन काढला मी प्रत्येकावर कळते का? ह्याच्यामधून 2 raised to 2 कॉमन आला, ह्याच्यामधून 2 raised to 2 कॉमन आला, ह्याच्यामधून पुन्हा 2 raised to 2 कॉमन आला. असे किती टर्म्स येतील? k टर्म्स येतील.
K terms.
म्हणजे 2 raised to 2k आले. ओके, आणि राहिलं काय इथं 1 स्क्वेअर प्लस 2 स्क्वेअर प्लस 3 स्क्वेअर अप टू k स्क्वेअर. ओके ओके, कळते का कसं येतं हे?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ह्याच्यात नाही हा 2 raised to 2 कॉमन आला, फ्रॉम 4 raised to 2 मधनं काय आला? 2 raised to 2 कॉमन आला, मग राहिला काय? 2 raised to 2. ओके, कसं? 4 raised to 2 is equal to 2 into 2 ब्रॅकेट असो 2, सो 2 स्क्वेअर into 2 स्क्वेअर. हा एक कॉमन इकडे बाहेर गेलाय आणि हा जो आलाय तो कुठं आलाय? इथे आला. ओके, आता हा 6 स्क्वेअर कसा लिहिणार मी? 2 into 3 ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर, 2 स्क्वेअर into 3 स्क्वेअर. हा 2 कुठं आलाय? इथे आलाय. ओके, आणि हा 3 स्क्वेअर कुठं येतोय? इकडे येतो. ओके, असे किती येत आहेत? किती 2 raised to 2 कॉमन येते? k कॉमन येते. सो हियर वी गेट 3 जर असेल तर काय लिहितो आपण? 2 raised to 3 into 2. ओके, 6. ओके, असं लिहितो ना आपण, 2 to the 4 to the 6. तेच लिहिलंय 2 raised to 2k into 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to so on k square. Okay, so that implies C2k is equal to minus 1 raised to k into C0 divided by 2 raised to 2k into 1 into 2 into 3 up to so on k bracket square. Okay, so that implies C2k is equal to minus 1 raised to k into C0, okay, divided by 2 raised to 2k into k factorial bracket square, and C2k plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
Now look at here. Now the required solution. The required solution of Bessel's equation. is what is phi of x is equal to काय म्हणलं आपण x raised to r to summation k running from 0 to infinity ck into x raised to k हा तुमचं जनरल सोल्युशन की पण r काय घेतलं आपण 0 घेतलं रूट्स किती आले 0 आले त्यामुळे हा याचे x raised to 0 येईल. Now expand this summation in two forms. Summation k running from 0 to infinity x raised to k into c2k plus summation x raised to k into c2k plus 1. Okay, k running from 0 to infinity. Now this sum get is 0. That implies summation x raised to 0 is 1. K running from 0 to infinity. Okay, now we put the value of c2k minus 1 raised to k into c naught divided by 2 raised to 2k into k factorial bracket square into this x raised to sorry the 2k is 2k plus 1. Okay, 2k. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, let the c naught is equal to 1. So what we get then? So phi of x is equal to summation k running from 0 to infinity. Arbitrary constant आहे बरं का ते काही घेऊ शकतो आपण. So minus 1 raised to k divided by 2 raised to 2k into k factorial bracket square into x raised to 2k. Okay, and the function defined by this series is called Bessel's function. Bessel's function of n is equal to 0 घेतला म्हणून काय आला zero order of first kind. Okay, and is denoted by j naught of x. Okay, n तुमचा 0 आहे म्हणून किती घेतलं j naught of x. Thus j naught of x is equal to summation k running from 0 to infinity minus 1 raised to k divided by 2 raised to 2k into k factorial square into x raised to 2k. Okay, so this is the Bessel's function of zero order of first kind. Okay, so note j naught of 0. Kai I'll put x is equal to 0. Kai I'll put wait a minute. X is equal to 0 term. J naught of 0 is equal to 1 1 best. J naught of 0 is 1 घेतले. Sala J naught of 0. कसा आला J naught of 0 1? Okay, wait a minute. This is the Bessel's functions of zero order of the first kind. Okay, it's one kind out आहे का?
No,
Okay, so
sir.
this is the solution of the Bessel's equation for n is equal to 0. Okay, this one. Wait a minute. आधीचं सोल्युशन कुठे आला होता? इथे जर मी काय केला यांच्या ऐवजी 0 ठेवला तर इथे किती येईल? हा 0 येईल. इथे किती येईल? हा 0 येईल. हा काय येईल? कशाचा रिड्यूस होईल बघा? -1 raised to k into x raised to 2k divided by 2 raised to 2k. ओके, आणि हा काय येईल? k फॅक्टोरियल, आणि हा k प्लस 1, गॅमा k प्लस 1 म्हणजे k फॅक्टोरियल, तो k फॅक्टोरियल स्क्वेअर झाला. तोच आला. ओके, जर इथे n इज इक्वल टू 0 पुट केला मी तर काय येईल? j नॉट ऑफ 0 ना. मग काय येईल? j इक्वल ठेवल्यानंतर हाच येईल. इथे 0 पुट केल्यानंतर k प्लस 1, गॅमा k प्लस 1 इज नथिंग बट k फॅक्टोरियल, आणि k फॅक्टोरियल टू k फॅक्टोरियल स्क्वेअर, आणि इथे किती येईल? x रेस टू 2k, आणि दिस इज 2 रेस टू 2k. तोच येईल 2 raised to 1 minus 1 raised to k into c naught divided by 2 raised to 2k into k factorial bracket square. ओके, फक्त इथे j naught of 0 is equal to 1 कसाला ते पाहायचं. ओके, हे जरा चेक करून सांगेन मी. तुम्ही हे चेक करा, मी हे चेक करेन उद्याच्या लेक्चरला सांगेन. पुट x इक्वल टू 1 ठेवल्यावर काय होईल? ते x रेस टू 2 हा म्हणजे हा थोडाच येईल. ओके, झिरो पॉईंट काय होईल? ओके, j naught of 0 is equal to 1 हे कसं डिफाइन केलं मी सांगेन नंतर. ओके, now the properties of the Bessel function, next point. ओके, ह्याला स्टार करून ठेवा, हे दिसेल. The properties of Bessel's function. तुम्ही ही चेक करा बरं का. Properties of Bessel's function. ओके, याचं प्रूफ पण आहे, ते प्रूफ आपण उद्या बघूया. फक्त स्टेटमेंट बघूया. Properties of Bessel function. First property, x into jn dash of x is equal to n into jn of x minus x into jn plus 1 of x. Okay, this is the first property. Second, x into jn dash of x is equal to x into jn minus 1 of x minus n jn of x. Okay, this one is the second property. Third one, d by dx of x raised to minus n into jn of x. MCQ ला वगैरे विचारतात डायरेक्टली. ओके, x raised to minus n into jn of x is equal to minus x raised to minus n into jn plus 1 of x. This one is the third. Fourth one, d by dx of x raised to n into jn of x is equal to x raised to n into jn minus 1 of x. Okay. Fifth one, d by dx of j of 1 by 2 of x is equal to square root of, हे डायरेक्ट रिझल्ट आहे. फर्स्ट फोर्थचे प्रूफ आहेत, आणि फिफ्थ आणि सिक्स्थ डायरेक्ट रिझल्ट 2 upon pi x into sin x. And sixth one, d by dx of j of minus 1 by 2 of x is equal to square root of 2 upon pi x into cos x. Okay, and last one is seventh one, g of minus n of x is equal to minus 1 raised to n into jn of x. Okay, this proof we will see in the next lecture. Okay, फक्त एवढं चेक करा हे कसं आहे. J naught of 0 is equal to 1. ओके, काही डाऊट्स आहेत का त्याच्या व्यतिरिक्त अजून? आणि हे एक डाऊट आणि तर कुठला 1 प्लस आहे का 1 मायनस इकडे याच्यामध्ये. ओके इथे. ओके, हे मी नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला सांगेन टुमॉरो. ओके, एनी डाऊट अप टू हियर?
नो सर.
Okay. Wait a minute. For today, it is sufficient now. Wait a minute.